My father, Michael, he was the originator of the Rolling Donut kiosk on O'Connell Street. He started out making donuts at the Dandelion Market just outside the door here. That was back in the 70s. And then he was lucky enough to find the kiosk, and it just, a part-time job just ended up becoming a full-time job. Customers just continued to come back, and he ended up having a really loyal band of customers over the years, and we can still see that now. There's a lot of nostalgia attached to it. I mean, I worked there myself, and I felt great leaving work because everybody came up and had a little story. You know, their granny or their mum or somebody used to take them there as a kid. We used to have all the bus stops right outside the door, so there's a lot of memories of people waiting for their bus and getting the donuts, and you know, the smell. The kiosk has been busier than it ever has been before. He always was scared that when Dunkin' Donuts came to O'Connell Street that it would put him out of business, but it actually had the total opposite effect. And funny enough, we've noticed the exact same thing now. It's like history repeating itself, because we've noticed with Krispy Kreme opening, we've had an unbelievable influx of customers saying, you know, we want to support Irish family business, or they just taste preference, so it's great. I guess it's something I always would have grown up. Me and my sister, we used to go to festivals, garden shows, markets with my father making the donuts. So it's kind of in my blood. It was always something I wanted to hopefully expand and develop. We used to have a lot of people asking, you know, where's the Boston creams, where's the jam donuts, and we were very limited with my dad's little ring donuts. As yummy as they are, we just kind of wanted to expand the range. So that's when I said, right, it's time to get a bakery, get locations and do it right. That all kicked off in May 2016. That was the first premise I got, was over in Bachelor's Walk. That was an location I had my eye on for years as a teenager. I always thought it would be amazing because the passing trade, the footfall, it's perfect for our product. And following that, shortly after, was this kind of our flagship store here on South King Street. We're very close after London and what they're kind of doing over there, and it was just really kind of kicking off, and it was amazing timing, so it worked really well.